What's good, y'all? Today we're going to be 3D printing on the Monoprice Select version 1 3D printer, small printer. We're going to be making a custom knob with the 3IP logo on the knob and then installing it on the unit as we take the old one off. I think I found this template on Maker's World. There's plenty of free different custom knobs that you can find and print out to your liking. Raised knobs, what have you. I chose this one because I like how it stands out, really fit on the printer well. As you can see, the color, multicolor silk filament really added a nice touch to it. Here is the finished product. You can see the logo on the top, and here it is installed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow me for more videos.